Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 8. Today, inshallah, we'll be continuing how to work with images using some of the Photoshop tools. We'll start, we'll open first the file, picture, from our choices. Let it be this picture, or let's choose a bigger size picture. Always try to pick some higher resolution and big size pictures to work in it in the beginning. We'll pick this image as you see here. Okay, definitely before we start working with our image, we'll press Ctrl plus to zoom our image a little bit. As you see here, our image is zoomed and we can see it clearly. First thing I want to explain about using Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool is used to select an adjacent area of the same color in the image. Area of the same color of the image. Like for example, if I start selecting, click on this white, look, it will just select the same color of an image. Okay, and if I want to increase my selection, I will just press shift key and keep clicking on the area where I wanted to select. As you see, it's selected for me like this, a complete cloud. The complete cloud is selected. Now if I want to drag it or move it, you can see it clearly. Okay, you can see this cloud clearly. Okay, or if I want, just I can copy it and paste it here again, so I can make more cloud area, or I can double my image. Okay, one more thing here is how to use the paint or brush tool. Okay, it's a painting tool, it's called the brush tool. You can select definitely your brush from here. If you just say window and brush, okay, all the brushes here will appear. As you see, you can see, you can pick your preferred brush from here. Okay, and this is the size of your brush will be, and this is the spacing between the repetitive brush. Let's see how it works. For example, I will just choose the spacing like this. See, if I just do like this, it looks like a leaf, a tree leaf. And if I increase the spacing, is going to be like this. Between each leaf there is a space inside the same brush. If I close it like this, then it will be not clear. It will be very close to each other, each brush. Let's go back in the history a little bit, up to cancel this, and then let me choose this brush and the size. Like you see, this is the size of my brush. Here's my brush moving, and let's choose like this spacing and try to make some grass here. Just pick the color of your grass and try to draw like this with the brush. Okay, one time you can use the brush with the long spacing, and some you can use with close spacing like this. You can create some grasses, and also this is about the brush and how to use a brush. Always, if you want to go back, remember, my dear students, is you have to keep the history menu active here, so you can go back wherever you want to go. Okay, now I have also other tool is called here a smudging tool. Smudging tool used to mix uh, two images, or I mean two colors into each other. Like for example, I have here is the blue image and here is the white image. So if I start just try smudging them like this together, okay, the two colors will be mixed. Okay, I can bring the blue inside the white, okay, or the white inside the blue, and then I can start what doing a smudging for them. Then you can also choose your size of your smudge area from here, and the hardness from here, and definitely the type of your smudging brush as well. See, this way. This is about the smudge tool. One more, you can add another color by using the brush from here. Okay. Let's choose a normal brush, a regular brush. Let's say this is our brush, sorry, and the size, will make the size smaller a little bit. Okay, you can add a color here. Like for example, I wanted to add sunset color to an image. Okay, so I can spray here a little bit with this yellow color, then I can choose the smudge tool, okay, to smudge this color around the blue color, trying to create trying to create a sunset spot or an effect for the sun. Also, the smudge here area should be this way. My dear students, we'll just stop by now, and this is was enough lesson for today. Thank you very much. I hope everybody will exercise this at home. Thank you very much, my dear students.